Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is the 21st of November, 2022, and this is my chart breakdown for today. In the comment section, someone said to do GBP USD. So let's run it quickly. Just looking from this point, I had done GBP USD for someone before. So let me take some of these out. Okay, so focus. Let me see the daily. We have a level, spike, 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 lower. On the downside, we have higher lows. We have higher lows painting, so potentially we might just see this market come up here. So this is the next level if it is a bullish push. This is a level we would want to see if it's a bearish push. So let's break it down now. So right now we see GU giving higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This point never got broken. You can do this. Corresponds with how the moving average is painting. Do this like this. We have a support here, or we have a higher low here that the market has given another higher low. So the market might just be giving higher lows. We only become sellers when this low is taken out. Only become sellers when this low is taken out. We might potentially get a higher low within all these levels or within this price point here, or another tap to the trend line and push the market higher. So simple stuff for G. All it has to do with patience. AU, a recap for AU. AU was around here where I said we might see a spike to this level to retest this broken level here. Before dropping, we see that retest of that level, a drop. We had this trend line here. So as of this moment, we want to see what AU will do. AU might want to continue to push lower. Since we have a support here that has not broken, we have one bearish candle, another bearish candle that looks like a doji. So we want a good bearish candle. Before we say this level is broken, then we might want to see this market push a little bit lower. If not, this support might just hold and we'll see this market push back up from this point. We might just see this market push back up or higher. Or if we see a nice bearish close beyond this level, then it might want to push to this trend line. We have some type of support here also, where the market might find support. Yeah, that is AU. USD CHF was around here where I said we might either get a tap of the trend line or a break of the trend line or a bearish close beyond this level and will drag the market lower. Or I said if we get a bullish close above a level, above this level here. If we get a nice bullish close above that level, we might want to be buyers. See that bullish close. I took a buy up there, but I had my stop loss because the stop loss was a little bit wide. So I had a tiny stop loss. It tapped my stop loss. But what I did was when it came back to this um, trend line, I was seeing some type of exhaustion on this level on lower time frame. So I jumped back right in to the buy because I had better confluence around this level. So I bought it and I closed right before the market closed Friday. So I made back the tiny loss I had. I made back a little bit profit. So what do we expect now? We expect the market to either continue to push higher, or if the market continues to push higher, as of now, there really isn't any resistance until this point here. And today is Monday, so really there isn't a lot to do this week until midweek. So we might just see this market continue to push higher, or it might just find um, some type of resistance. If you go back in time, you'd see some type of resistance here. Even this point on the daily is a resistance that seemingly is having a strong, it is a strong resistance because we have a spike close back in, one bullish candle, we want another bullish candle. So we might just have this point being respected. So it might just push back down to this level. So if it does that, um, it might just give us another reason to adjust our trend line and get a nice higher low, which is why I have this here. It might just push back down, might just give us another reason to have a good higher low before we continue to push the market higher. And if we get a break of this level back into this fray here, then we might want to push the market lower. US 30, I said if we got a nice bearish candle close beyond this level, we might want to push the market lower. If not, if we see a bullish candle closing around this whole level, we'll push the market higher. As you can see what happened, there was a nice bullish candle, another bullish candle. Now we have a potential 1, 2, 3 pattern. We might just push this market higher back to this level or even higher and higher. So that is basically it. No long talk, no long story about US 30, which is really stuck in a consolidation. We have a trend line that the market bounced off, and we have another trend line inside price where the market is doing its justice. So the market might just continue to respect the major trend line. And if it breaks the counter trend line, then we might push this market higher. BTC, on the other hand, has a low liquidity or volatility because for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it was not doing anything. We see it pushing back down to this level now. If we get a break of this, a nice bearish close beyond this level, then we are back into the seller's territory. If not, it might just be stuck in consolidation, the same way it got stuck in this consolidation. So we want to see what's going to happen. Um, If today closes a lot bearish, then back into the bearish territory. If not, we are stuck in consolidation to push this market higher, back up here to 17K. So that is all for my chart breakdown. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on all social platforms at KingAlexNBA, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.